300 million meters a second. Probably the most familiar number in physics. It's the speed of light. But in which reference frame is it the speed of light? Back in 19th century, experiments gave some surprising results and we saw all observers see light at same speed no matter how fast they are moving with respect to one another. But how is it even possible? As speed is distance by time, time and distance measured in different reference frames must be different. That is, our intuition that time runs at same rate for entire universe is wrong. The reason why we see light at same speed is all objects move at same rate in four-dimensional space-time. Let's visualize what it means. Imagine a car moving at fixed speed of 100 km per hour towards north. Now it's still moving at 100 km per hour. But you can see a part of it is being shared with west direction. That is, that more it moves towards west, the less it moves towards north. Let's use this analogy to understand the motion in four dimensions of space-time. Now horizontal axis shows motion in space and vertical axis shows motion in time. Now we can see that more an object moves in space, the lesser it moves in time. Or we can say as object speeds up, its time slows down. This is the core reason why we can't exceed the speed of light. Do you remember this? For speed of light to be constant, not just time, but both time and distance need to vary proportionally in different reference frames. In fact, these equations show how space and time of an event are seen from different reference frames. So here is the crux of matter. Objects in relative motion to you appear shorter to you, and shrinking occurs only in direction of motion and not sideways. Here is where it gets really interesting and mind-boggling, because it also means something really weird. If you take a 10-meter long stick and a 5-meter long barn and move the stick at about 90% the speed of light towards the barn, then from barn reference frame, it would appear shorter than 5 meters, and we can close both the doors of the barn at same time, so that stick is completely contained inside it, even though for a very small fraction of time. I mean, the 10-meter long stick can fit in 5-meter long barn. And wait, that's not over yet. I have something for you to ponder on. Cause the person sitting with stick would say that barn is shrinked and wouldn't see stick fit into barn. And that should blow your mind. Cause at speeds that we deal with in our everyday life, this relativistic nature of time and space manifest themselves very less to be noticeable by our human senses, making it a strangely odd experience. Just be open-minded and realize that your perceptions of world are not the ultimate truth.